You're very familiar with ChatBaser. We've optimized the deploy section. It's a little bit easier. We just tell you stay on the recommended. You can change the sizes and go custom if you want. The recommended is the easier, and you just click embed and get your embed and get your link. A little bit easier there. You still get your data sources, all your analytics, activity, et cetera, et cetera. So you could create as many chat agents as you want, and they work just like you see here at the bottom of scale.gg, where we can answer questions for people. But when you have multiple products like we do, and you want to have a help desk for all your products, you're going to notice we have this new thing here called a help center. And with a help center, you spend 2 minutes designing it. What do you want to call it? What is your branding and logo, right? And I didn't even use one. I literally just said, use these icons, right? I'm like, I don't need to upload a logo. What does your welcome message say? You'll say, hi, how can I help you, right? Well, I can say, welcome to Scale, right? What colors you want? That's our indigo color, which is our Scale Plus color. Users can go light mode, dark mode. Don't worry about that. Sidebar navigation. What type of stuff do you want to show? Quick actions. I want to have it here say support a ticket. I can put my help desk phone number, billing, talk to a human, anything that I want there. And now, once that's done, you then go to manage agents, and you can see I've linked both of them. So this is combining your chat agents into a super agent where you can take all of your chatbots together, put them together, and then you simply get a portal URL that you could add to your domain and make it yourhelpdesk.com, and it will look just like this. So imagine if this is where your customers go for support, and it says, hi, how can I help you? And they say this right here. What is the pricing if I'm a lifetime member, right? But we have light mode, dark mode, okay? We have the dashboard, new chat, and the user at any time can go to our help desk and put a traditional ticket. So this is going to take over our help desk, at least the front end of our help desk. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is called ChatBaser Help Centers.